Guys, and today we are telling you how to be a YouTuber. So first, think about your audience, what age they're going to be. So mine would be 6 to 11 years old. And then next, you have to think about how to attract them to your channel. So like think about trends or activities that you like and other people like. Stuff like that. And then, third, you have to think about your content, which is basically the same thing. Fourth, you have to get an interesting, current, good ideas, tips and tricks, life hacks, short and upbeat. So yeah. And then you have to think about how to attract a certain group that is really easy to get, and it'll go like this, ding, and then people could get to know you, and then you can start getting group by group, and then you can start being famous. And then you can link other videos that are relevant. After that, you could even post a picture onto the thumbnail, and then you can put it on the start of the YouTube video so that people can get attracted. And that's how you make a YouTube video. I forgot to tell you how to publish it. So basically, you record the video that you want to publish to the content. And then, once you've done the video, you have to go into gallery and then go into the video that you've just made. And then it will have the share logo. And then tap that share logo, and then you have to scroll down, and then it would basically, it would say YouTube. You click or tap on that, if either way. And basically it'll link you onto YouTube, and then it would say, if you don't have an account already, make one, a Google account. And then once you've done that, you have to, it says title and the other thing I forgot, but no, let me just think 1 second, guys. I found out it's description, title and description. It would say that. So you put your title down. Mine would be how to be a YouTuber, and then the description would be step by step. If you're not allowed to watch it, you can read it. So it's way easier. Or say if your sister's at bed or something and you have to be quiet, you could put the YouTube video on, and then you could, sorry about that, and then you can say step by step if they can't watch it. So yeah, that is how to publish a YouTube video. Bye guys.